Hey, Javi, man, you got a bet right for 10, right? Okay, that's a bet. Oh, that truck's so quiet. God damn. God damn. I done lost. I'm glad we only got it up to 10. I would have been crying. Some hunters.
That's an upset.
Yeah, that was the upset of the night already. I'm already upset.
That's your favorite truck.
My favorite truck. I don't know who to bet with now.
That's your favorite racer out here.
Man, he done got me, Javi. You done got me. I lost 10. I lost 10. What happened?
My bad.
I
had one around.
Oh, okay.
I got a good angle right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I used to be right there. Y'all check him out. My boy, he got his drawing up in the air. Man, he spent. He spent, man, off the line, and he never caught traction.
They would have left the good deal to be in there.
Yeah. Javi, make sure you just remind me at the end, man, and go and send you that 10. I ain't gonna forget.
Where you going, look out?
Who he racing over there?
That weight, 610.
Oh, I gotta take this side.
How much you got?
I gotta take this
Where you
side. Let me
going?
see if I can get that 10 back right here. Hey, man, this side. Huh? Sun on sun. Oh, this it? Oh, no.
Nah, this ain't.
If this, this the shootout.
It's the shootout, yeah.
Okay, hell no, this ain't sun on sun. I know the bet with Steph go. Yeah, he clocked on. Hey, I got this side, man. If I have any glitches, don't y'all go nowhere. Is that Candyman? Yes, that's Candyman. I got this side. Yeah, he peeled up. Damn what he talking about earlier. He talking about he didn't peel up. Yeah, he did.
He up there right now.
Damn, coach. Too easy. Ain't nothing wrong with this line. You see how he carried them wheels? Oh yeah, I'm in the stickiness right now. Yeah, it's hooking. It's hooking. With the super gap on Candyman. can't hang with these type of cars. This that shit that ain't. They calling it a street car, but they done changed to put a big motor in there. What's up with it, man? You still having a good day? Enjoying life, smiling every day?
I'm enjoying life, baby. I live with my kid.
Oh yeah?
Watch my youngster bring that shit on through.
Already,
We
man.
gonna try that little street car, but I'm trying to loosen that motherfucking ghost next year.
Oh yeah?
Shit.
He light enough, ain't he?
He gotta get his nuts got, but his nuts ain't swollen up.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We got Lawrence with the ZL1 versus Super. Yeah. Ah, he gonna kill this. And they been walking on the track all day. That's how I got sticking. I guess it's been sticking all day. Now Javier, he bet me. I lost 10 to him. He was scared to bet in the mo.
Guess what that changes?
Cause I was trying to get.
This changes that.
What is?
You're changing that right there. That's 0.3.
Oh, I think that's the color. Yeah, I owe Javier $10. We'll get it paid off. I might could do it on this other phone. So I think my Metro connected to my cash app. It is.
I had to go. John and they were like, take her on and then go play homage and Blake.
Go play who is?
Pay homage to Blake.
What? Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, what's your cash out? Oh man, it better be back before I'm trying to get it back working. Here we go. There we go.
I want God to take on the Toyota Supra.
That's a super gap right there, like a real school bus, not the short bus, but like the long one. Yeah, man, appreciate the streaming.
You know what's up?